My nose is kind of stopped up a little bit. I don't know how I got this little sickness. But anyway, I still gotta live, right? What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Here to bring you another exclusive YouTube video. Today we're going to be cooking a traditional Guatemala dish. It is one of the 4 main dishes here in Guatemala that they love. But before I show you and get into that, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure you follow me on social media. That way you can stay up to date with the latest videos. To get back to what we were talking about before, we're going to make a dish called Pepian. It is a very special Guatemala dish that here in Guatemala they make specifically for them. There are different ways that they do this dish. We're here at my girlfriend's uncle's house, and they know how to make the Pepian from scratch. So I'm going to kind of show you guys how they do like that, and make sure you guys see how the process is done with how they make Pepian, and we're going to enjoy the delicious Pepian that they have here. Alright guys, so the first thing we're doing is preparing the meat because it takes a little bit longer to cook. So next we're going to cook flour until it starts to turn brown. And here are all the different ingredients that we're going to use to make the Pepian. And that's what makes it special, because we're making it from scratch and all these ingredients are going to have to be toasted so it can get that special flavor. So here I am, fooling around, climbing this big tree. This tree has a lot of small fruits at the top called jayotes. My girlfriend loves these fruits. Back to the Pepian, we're here peeling the vegetables to help speed up the process. So here we're checking the flour to see how brown it has gotten over time. Now we're starting the toasting process. Once the peppers are toasted, they have to sit in water. Now we are thinking of how many slices we're going to cut the chayote and the potatoes. And they also toast some cilantro. And the rest of the cilantro is not toasted, and we put it in the meat. Once the cilantro is toasted, we have to chop it up. Now we have to toast the pumpkin seeds and the sesame seeds. You know, I'm here just trying to do a little something, trying to express my little cooking skills I got. Bruh. And finally, the flour is brown, so we have to test some of it in water to make sure that it's ready based off of the color. And here's the last things that we need to toast: the tomatoes, onions, and tomatillos. I would have said vegetables, but you do know that tomatoes are fruits, right? And you guys remember when we were checking the flour? Well, finally it's done. So now what we're gonna do is mix some of the juice from the meat into the flour. So what they do here to complement the Pepian is rice. But once again, everyone does it differently. So we're going to add mixed vegetables to ours. Now we're pouring the flour into the meat. So we are ready to blend all of the toasted sesame seeds, pumpkin seeds, and peppers together. Oh, I forgot, and the cilantro as well. And finally, we're going to mix all the tomatoes, onions, tomatillos, and a small piece of cinnamon together with the previous mix we did. So the Pepian is almost finished. We just have to mix in some of the sauce with the meat and finish the tortillas, and we'll have our rice. Well, we got hen. We didn't get chicken, we got hen. They got like ribs and all kinds of other meat in there too. We are ready to eat. I am starving. I haven't eaten, and it really didn't take that long. I would say maybe 2.5 hours to the most, just to get everything completed. Everybody working all together, so that's what made it a little bit faster. But we're almost ready to eat. So we're getting ready to eat. It is raining outside, but I'm hungry and we are ready to enjoy our food. We are finished, and I am full. Oh my God. What did y'all think? What did y'all think about it? Did it look good? Well, it sure did taste good. I had hen with pig meat. It was really delicious. Really delicious. So right now we're on land that my girlfriend's uncle owns. This is corn here in the background, and they got beans right here, they got radishes and some other things, but all of this here belongs to them, and they just wanted to take us out here to see some of the property they own. And I think they sell some of these things in the market, and make money from it. So it's like their little miniature farm. We're back now and we're ready to go. It was good to kind of see a little bit of the land they own, but I'm glad that we enjoyed ourselves on that. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. For more information about Pepian, I'll leave in the description the ingredients, what we use, so if you want to make it yourself, you can. But let me remind you, everyone does it different. And we made ours from scratch. They have boxes that actually have some of the powder and stuff pre-made. We didn't want that. We wanted ours to be homemade. It's better that way. Even the dishes they used were like ceramic, things like that, so it has a better flavor, better taste to it, so it's more natural. But make sure you guys subscribe to this channel. Make sure you follow me on social media. Make sure you hit that like button down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.